Hello friends. So today we are coming to this fourth lecture of this basics and fundamental of verbs. And by this time, and I would say I would request you friends to have a bit of patience, because till now you may be thinking, so that you just been talking about basics and fundamental, and when we are supposed to do the other advanced form of this grammar. So I would say, so in this series of fundamental and basic of grammar, we will not have more than 5 lectures. So we are already done with the 3 lecture, and today it's going to be the 4th lecture, and we will have one more lecture, and that's done. So when you put all these things together in your mind, you really feel that you are really prepared and you would enjoy the rest part of the journey. So today in this particular, this 4th lecture, we are going to see verb forms. We are going to talk about verb forms. So right from the first lecture, if you remember, I have been talking of only those 5 fundamental and basic forms of verbs, which is ASMR, was, were, has, have, do, does, all these only. So let us see actually that these different form of verbs, where do they lie in the table of the verb forms. ये हम आज यहाँ पे ये देखने की कोशिश करेंगे और समझने की कोशिश करेंगे कि ये जो वर्ब के जो बेसिक्स फॉर्म्स होते हैं ना, ये कहाँ पे होते हैं, वेयर डू दे लाई, ये कहाँ पे होते हैं, वर्ब फॉर्म्स के किस पर्टिकुलर कॉलम से ये बिलोंग करते हैं. इस पे we are going to discuss and we are going to explore today. So we are going to call this lecture verb forms. Verb form. And basically, let us try to understand that how many different form of verbs does a verb have. एक verb का कितने अलग-अलग verb forms होते हैं. So that's one thing is very common, that's widely known, that's known everywhere. वो क्या होता है, verb के 3 forms होते हैं, first form, second form and third form. But here we would try and explore that there is also a 4th form and 5th form of verb, which is it's called 4th form of verb and 5th form of verb. So here we are going to see and focus first form of verb, second form of verb, third form of verb, 4th form of verb and 5th form of verb. So here we are going to see and explore 5 different form of verbs. 5 different form of verbs. So this first form of verb and this 5th form of verb, they are called present form of verb. इसको हम समझते हैं कि किस verb forms को grammatically किस term से जाना जाता है. By what name are these different forms known and learned? By what different names are they called? That we are trying to understand. So here ये जो first form of verbs हैं और ये जो 5th form of verb हैं, ये जो होता है, ये verbs ये present tense में इस्तेमाल होता है. They are the present form of verb. They are present form of verb. This is also present and this is also present. Present form of verb. What's the difference then? If both are in present form, so this is present form of verb and this is singular form. This is present tense in singular form, and this is present tense and this is in plural form. So this is the difference. This is the difference we have seen. This is the first form of verb that's called in present form, and that's this 5th form of verb. This is also in present form, but what's the difference? So the difference is this first form of verb, this is called plural form of verb in present tense, and this 5th form of verb, this is called singular form of present tense. Let us see one example. So this, and we have already seen in 3rd lecture कि जिस वर्ब फॉर्म के साथ एस यस जुड़ जाता है वो वर्ब फॉर्म सिंगुलर वर्ब फॉर्म बन जाता है, और ये बिल्कुल नाउन से अलग होता है। क्यों? क्योंकि जब नाउन में हम एस यस ऐड करते हैं तो वो नाउन जो होता है प्लूरल बन जाता है, बट वर्ब के केस में ये जस्ट उल्टा होता है। अगर हम वर्ब के साथ हम एस और एस ऐड कर दें तो ये वर्ब का सिंगुलर फॉर्म बन जाता है। लेट अस सी। सो this play is singular form of, this is play is plural form of verb, and that's in present tense. But what is the singular form of verb or play? So this plays. Why? Because there is s with it. Similarly, do is present form of verb. It's a plural form of verb. And does is present form of verb, but that's in singular form of verb. और ये चीजें वी हैव ऑलरेडी सीन। डज का इस्तेमाल और प्लेस का इस्तेमाल कहां पे करते हैं? सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में होता है जब सब्जेक्ट्स थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर नंबर होते हैं। एंड वेयर डू वी यूज प्ले एंड डू? प्ले एंड डू आर आल्सो यूज्ड इन प्रेजेंट टेंस विद सब्जेक्ट्स अदर देन थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर नंबर। अदर देन थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर नंबर का मतलब होता है जब सब्जेक्ट थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर नंबर नहीं होते हैं। Now, what is this second form of verb is called? So this second form of verb is called past tense. What is this third form of verb is called? This third form of verb is called past participle. What is this? This form of verb is called, this fourth form of verb is ing form of verb. When we add ing with the basic form of verb, it becomes fourth form of verb, and it's term by term wise, it is called present participle. So that's what we have, all different 5 form of verbs. आज हम सिर्फ हम 5 form of verbs के बारे में डिस्कस कर रहे हैं। 3 form of verbs are very widely known, everybody knows that, but यहाँ पे ये ing form of verbs जो होते हैं उसको हम 4th form of verb कहते हैं, and term wise it is called present participle. और ये जो 5th form जो verbs होता है ये verbs के singular form होते हैं जिसमें कि s yes लगा रहता है, और इसका इस्तेमाल simple present tense में होता है। 5th form of verb भी present tense में है और 1st form of verb भी present tense में इस्तेमाल होता है, बट दोनों में फर्क क्या है? What is the difference? This first form of verb is plural form of verb, and this 5th form of verb, which is with s, a and es, it is singular form of verb, and it is used in simple present when the subject is third person singular number. Second form को हम क्या कहते हैं? Past tense कहते हैं। थर्ड फॉर्म को हम क्या कहते हैं? पास्ट पार्टिसिपल कहते हैं। फोर्थ फॉर्म जो कि आईएनजी फॉर्म होता है उसको क्या कहते हैं? उसको प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल कहते हैं। सो वी हैव सीन प्ले। व्हाट इज द पास्ट टेंस ऑफ प्ले? सो द पास्ट टेंस ऑफ प्ले इज played. What is the past participle form of play? The past participle form is play is also played. And what is the present participle form of play? So present participle form, fourth form is ing, so it is playing. And what is the fifth form of this? It is plays. It is plays. It is plays. Now let us see what is the past form of do. So the past form of do is did. What is the past participle form of do? So the past participle form of do is done. Past participle form of do is done. And what is the present participle form of do, which is the ing form of verb? Is, so what is the present participle form of do? It's doing. And what is the simple present form, singular form of present tense of do? It's does, that we have already seen. Now speak. Speak is first form of verb which is in present tense and which is plural form of verb. And what is the fifth form of speak, which is going to be the singular form of verb, and which is also used in simple present. So it's going to be speaks. Now, when do we use speaks? When the subject is third person singular number in present tense. When do we use speak? When the subject is not third person singular number, means except third person singular number. Third person singular number को छोड़ के कुछ भी होता है हम फिर हम speak लगाते हैं. What is the past form of speak? So the past form of speak is spoke. What is the past participle form of speak? So the past participle form of speak is spoken. And what is the present participle form of speak, which is ing form of verb? So present participle form of verb speak is speaking. And fifth form, which is a singular form, present singular form of verb, we have already seen speak and speaks. Now let us see for write. So write is the first form of verb, which is present form and plural form. So what is going to be the fifth form of verb, which is singular form? So write becomes writes. Why? Because we add as es with it and it becomes writes. What is the past form of write? Past form of write is wrought. What is the past participle form of write? Is written. And present participle form of write, which is the ing form of write, is writing. And fifth form of verb, which is singular form of verb, we have already seen it is writes. Now listen. Now why I'm choosing this speak, write, listen and read? Because you know, these are the 4 different activities which you do, which we do, which everybody does to learn good English. That's why, though the list is long, you know, there's no end of verb forms, but I'm not going to discuss all verb forms here because I want to just introduce the terms to you that which form of verb is called what. So the past form of, this is the listen, is the present form of verb and that's the plural form of verb. What is going to be the singular form of listen? It's going to be listens. Because we have added as and that's why it has become listens. The past tense of listen is listened. And past participle, same, listened. And present participle, which is ing form of verb, it's listening. And fifth form of verb, which is singular form of verb, we have already seen. Now, one is read. I have used, you know, these 4 verb forms, these 4 activities, because when we perform all these 4 activities, we learn. It's easy way. That's the only way to learn English. That could be our, you know, speaking form or writing form, in reading form, in whatever form. So what is the singular form of read, which is the fifth? It's reads. Because we have added s to it, so that becomes singular form of verb. So the past tense is read. It's pronounced differently, but the spelling remains same. And the past participle form is also read. It's pronounced again, it's read differently, but the spelling remains same. And the present participle form of verb, which is ing form of verb, is we need to add ing, so it is reading. And here we have seen reads. So that's the different form of verbs. And here now I would say this all you have seen. So here we have seen this, but now into these verb forms we will try to see is, am, are, was, were also, has, have also. Here we have seen do, does, but you know, right from the first day I have been talking of only is, am, are, was, were, has, have. So let us see, these are also verb forms. So where do they lie? So let us see that also. So that is, am, are, they are the, you know, they are the be form of verbs. They are called to be form of verbs. So in present tense, if we here it is am are, if we place is, of course it is the singular form of verb. So is singular form of verb. What is going to be the plural form of verb is are. And you know, I'm writing here. Why? Because am is used with I. I is singular, first person singular number, but with I, you know, we use have, we do not use has. So yes, of course, you know, all the time there is some exceptions. So यहाँ पे हम अभी क्या देखने जा रहे हैं? We are going to see and we are going to learn कि ये जो to be verbs होते हैं, ये to be verbs की अगर हम tense wise और ये verbs की column wise, if we want to place them, so where do they lie? इनके positionings कहाँ पे होंगे? That we are going to find. So we have seen is, am, are. So this is, am, are, they are present form of verb. Is, am, are, प्रेजेंट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. इज जो होता है वर्ब का सिंगुलर फॉर्म है. आर तो सिंगुलर फॉर्म भी होता ही है, बट इस एम को भी मैंने यहाँ पे प्लेस करा है बिकॉज इट्स यूज विद आई. And with I, you know, though I is third person singular number, sorry, I is first person singular number, but with I we use have, with I we use do, with I we use play. That's why I have used this am here in the plural form. What is the past tense of is, am, are? Past tense of is, am, are is was, were. So that is the second form of to be verb. So the first form and fifth form of to be verb is, am, are. Is, am, are. What is the past form of to be verb? Was, were. What is the past participle form of to be verb? It's been. And what is the present participle form of to be verb? It is been. तो ये इन सबको हम टू बी वर्ब कहते हैं. टू बी वर्ब की लिस्ट में क्या आते हैं? बी, इज, एम, आर, was, were, been and being. ध्यान दें यहां पे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 to be verbs. 8 to be verbs. So whenever you think of to be verbs, so the to be verb has this big family. Is, am, are, this is be. Is, am, are is the first form and fifth form, and was, were is the second form, been is the third form, and being is the fourth form. So this is, am, are, इसमें is जो हो गया ये fifth form हो गया. This is fifth form. M को भी हम verb की fifth form ले लेते हैं. R जो होता है ये verb का first form होता है because ये plural है. Was और were की बात करते हैं, ये verb की second form है. were भी बात करते हैं, verb की second form है. ये being जो है ये verb का third form है, और ये जो being है ये verb का ing form है. See, that's very important. That's very important to understand. यहां पे हमने क्या देखा? be verbs को देखे हमने. यहां पे we have seen be verbs. To be verbs total कितने होते हैं? Totality their number is 8. Starting from be, is, am, are, was, were, be, being. Total count कर ले 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All together there are 8 to be form of verbs. अगर हम फर्स्ट फॉर्म, सेकंड फॉर्म, थर्ड फॉर्म, फोर्थ फॉर्म की बात करें, यहाँ पे इसकी पोजीशन क्या होती है? इज फिफ्थ फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब विच इज सिंगुलर. एम को हम फर्स्ट फॉर्म में लेंगे क्योंकि प्लूरल होता है. एम लगता है आई के साथ, और आई के साथ आई फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंगुलर नंबर है, बट आई के साथ हम क्या लगाते हैं? प्ले लगाते हैं, प्लेज नहीं लगाते हैं. आई के साथ हम क्या लगाते हैं? डू लगाते हैं, डज नहीं लगाते हैं. आई के साथ हम क्या लगाते हैं? हैव लगाते हैं, हैज नहीं लगाते हैं. इसलिए मैंने एम को भी वर्ब का प्लूरल फॉर्म यहाँ पे माना है. आर जो होते हैं वर्ब का प्लूरल फॉर्म। ये वॉज एंड वर जो है वर्ब के सेकंड फॉर्म है विच इज पास्ट टेंस। ये बीन जो है वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म है विच इज पास्ट पार्टिसिपल। और ये बीन जो है वर्ब की फोर्थ फॉर्म है विच इज आईएनजी फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब विच इज प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल। सो वी हैव सीन टू वे वर्ब्स। नाउ लेट अस सी हैज एंड हैव वर्ब। अगर हैव वर्ब की बात करें तो हैव जो होता है वर्ब का प्रेजेंट फॉर्म है, प्लूरल फॉर्म है, और इसकी अगर सिंगुलर फॉर्म बात करें वो हैज हो जाता है। ये वर्ब की सिंगुलर फॉर्म दोनों प्रेजेंट टेंस में होते हैं। अगर हम पास्ट टेंस की बात कर लें हैव का तो हैड होता है। पास्ट पार्टिसिपल की बात करें तो ये भी हमारा हैड होता है। और पास्ट पार्टिसिपल की बात कर प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल की बात कर लें तो इसका हो जाता है हैविंग। So have is present form in plural, has is singular form in present. Had is simple past form, had is past participle form is also had, and having is present participle which is the ing form of verb. अगर हम यहाँ पे have verbs की बात करें तो इसके टोटल्स कितने होते हैं? has, have, had, having। has जो हो गया verb का फिफ्थ फॉर्म है विच इज सिंगुलर फॉर्म ऑफ verb। have जो हो गया verb का फर्स्ट फॉर्म है विच इज प्लूरल फॉर्म ऑफ verb। ये had जो है verb का सेकंड फॉर्म है विच इज पास्ट फॉर्म। एंड had जो है ये सेम रहता है पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म में विच इज verb का थर्ड फॉर्म। एंड ये जो है verb का ing फॉर्म है फोर्थ फॉर्म विच इज प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म ऑफ verb। सो हियर वी हैव सीन डिफरेंट verb forms। सो द फर्स्ट डे से जो हम समझने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं ना कि इज एम आर, वॉज वर, हैज हैव, डू डज, प्ले प्लेज, तो ये यहाँ पे ना अब जाकर हमने ये कंप्लीट देख लिया। ये कंप्लीट कहाँ पे इसकी पोजीशनिंग होती है, वेयर डू दे लाई इन द टेबल ऑफ वर्ब फॉर्म्स, और इसका इस्तेमाल कहाँ पे होता है और कैसे कैसे होता है। One more thing friends, verb form is the most important things in grammar, क्योंकि आपके पास verb forms के जितना ज्यादा स्टॉक्स होंगे, जितना verb forms आपको लर्न रहेंगे, उतनी ही आसानी होगी आपको सेंटेंसेस फ्रेम करने में और सेंटेंसेस समझने में। वो जैसे मैथमेटिक्स में होता है ना टेबुलर फॉर्म, टेबल्स जो होते हैं मल्टीपल्स होते हैं, जिसको जितना ज्यादा टेबल्स याद होते हैं, लर्न होते हैं, जितना ज्यादा मल्टीपल्स लर्न होते हैं, उसके लिए मैथमेटिक्स और कैलकुलेशन और सिंप्लीफिकेशन उतना आसान हो जाता है। सिमिलरली द सेम थिंग इम्प्लाइज फॉर verb forms in case of grammar. So today here in this fourth lecture we have seen and we have tried to understand this different form of verbs which are in total in number totality which are 5 forms. So we are done with the fourth lecture. Now only one lecture is left and with that we will be totally done with the basics and fundamental of verbs and उसके बाद हम आगे जो है ना इसका एडवांस फॉर्म को देखेंगे। बट उसके लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है कि आपके जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग्स है ना वो बेसिक्स एंड फंडामेंटल्स को लेकर बहुत क्लियर हो, कहीं उसमें कहीं कंफ्यूजन ना रहे, और फिर जो है आप एडवांस वर्जन को आप आसानी से समझ लेंगे। दैट्स क्लियर। थैंक यू। Stay confident and keep on speaking English confidently. Thank you.